What is the difference between delete and truncate? This is a very first question from the interviewer to candidate, and this is very important question as well, because by this question interviewer can identify the candidate have a knowledge of the backend or no, means as person. If you answer properly of this question, then surely he will ask few question, next question of the SQL Server. Otherwise, from this question, he will reject you. So need to learn on your tips. So what is the delete and what is truncate? Very one line answer of the delete and truncate is the DDL, data definition language, whereas the delete is the DML, data manipulation language. First, second, delete delete can be rollback, but truncate never. Second, third, delete works with where clause, whereas truncate not work with the where. So this is the three condition, three differences which if you will tell to the interviewer, then yes, he will think about it. So now I am coming to the definition. Like delete work with the remove the selected record from the table, and delete and syntax is delete from table name where ID means by this you can delete a specific record. If you will not apply where, then it will delete all the record as well. Right? Whereas truncate remove all the record of the table very quickly, and syntax is truncate table. Feature type, this is DML command, this is DTL command. Means delete is the DML command, data manipulation, whereas the truncate is the data definition line. Remove the data row by row, where it remove all the record. Remember, sometimes interviewer asks that is it necessary to apply where clause in delete? No, it is not necessary to apply where clause in delete. Without applying where clause, if you will write delete from employee, then it will delete all the records, right? But if you will want to delete all the record, then you can apply truncate. But it is necessary means if you want a specific record, number of n records, then apply from where to where you want to delete the record. So yes, it is not necessary to apply the where clause, right? But yes, where clause is allowed here. But in that truncate, it is not allowed. If you will allow where clause in truncate table name where, then it will not possible, right? Where delete can be rolled back, yes, it can be rolled back, but truncate never roll back. It's work on the trigger means. See why delete can work on the triggers and truncate will not work on the trigger, because trigger is the DML command, right? So DML command, in DML command we insert delete update. Trigger always work on the specific delete update and insert command, right? Whereas truncate never, this is used to DDL command, this is used to create and create, right? Data definition, like create table, delete table, right? Data definition language part. So if you are trying to means if someone is asking why trigger is applying the delete not on truncate, so answer is trigger is the part of the DML command, not the DDL command, and trigger will always invoke or work on the DDL command only, and delete is the DDL part of the DDL command, whereas DML means truncate, if you will apply, then is the part of the DDL command. So trigger will not work on the DDL command, right? So this is the answer of that one. Speed, yes, this is the in slow speed delete, whereas truncate will work very faster. Identify reset, yes, it no means once you delete identify no reset, but if you will truncate the all the record, then it will work from starting. Foreign key allowed, yes, foreign key allowed until whereas in truncate not allowed, right?